Are you on 12-hour shifts, constantly standing, and barely a second to sit? A profession like nursing can be rewarding, but let's be honest. It is physically brutal. If your lower back aches, your feet throbs, or your posture is slowly folding in, this video is for you. More than 50% of nurses in the U.S. reported chronic musculoskeletal pain in 2024, with poor posture and weak core strength being major contributors. So, today we are here to fix that with posture, mobility, and core hacks that actually work. The fix is necessary because when your body's alignment is off, everything works harder. Your spine, your joints, your circulation become compromised. Besides, neck stiffness, shoulder tightness, and even varicose veins are all linked to poor posture and long hours of standing. According to the Journal of Occupational Health 2025, improving postural habits reduce lower back pain in nurses by up to 34% in just 8 weeks. So let's stop enduring pain and start building physical resilience. Here's the trick. You don't need a gym or even a yoga mat. Just 5 spare minutes and a little consistency is enough. And these 3 long shift-friendly moves will stabilize your spine and fire up your core. 1. Standing pelvic tilts. These are subtle movements but effective. They reset your posture between rounds. 2. Wall angels. These can undo that slouch from charting. They open up your chest and shoulders. And 3. Bird dog hold. It activates deep core muscles to support your entire back. For optimal benefits, aim for 10 reps on each of the 3 exercises. Once or twice a day, even during break time. Next, let's talk gear. The right equipment can take the load off your joints and save your back. Consider compression socks and ergonomic shoes. Compression socks improve circulation and cut down swelling. They also reduce leg fatigue by up to 60%, according to a 2024 meta-analysis in Nursing Practice Today. Likewise, ergonomic shoes ensure proper arch support and absorb shock. Be keen on non-slip soles. Some of the top-rated picks by nurses in 2025 include the Nike Air Zoom Pulse, Dansko XP 2.0, and UFOS clogs. I've tested a few myself, and it's a night and day difference. And remember, posture isn't just about how you stand. It is how you move and rest too. So keep your shoulders back, chin tucked, and core slightly engaged, especially when lifting or pushing beds. You can also adjust your workstation or IV poles. Don't hunch. To stay ahead, set gentle reminders on your smartwatch or phone to check your posture every hour. Just a few tweaks can prevent years of wear and tear. So here's your daily posture power-up. 1. Do 3 simple core moves once or twice a shift. 2. Wear compression socks and supportive shoes. And 3. Do posture resets, engaging your shoulders, back, and spine, at least 3 times per shift. These will result in better energy, less pain, and a body that keeps up with your purpose. If this helped you, subscribe, comment, and share your favorite gear or stretches below. See you in our next wellness post.